You're looking at a 2.5-year adventure. Some late nights, some long days, and finally, bang, success. I'm pleased to announce that our new factory expansion is complete. We have added 40% to our physical footprint. To fill up that extra room, we have acquired some impressive new technology. It's technology that handles time-consuming, repetitive chores, which allowed our artisans to do more of what people do better than machines: build, shape, and finish furniture. It's technology that doubles our capacity. This is good news for everyone in our furniture universe: consumers, designers, and retailers. You'll be pleased to know that we can now offer even more choices and provide even faster delivery. Our employees have a better place to work, cleaner, more modern, and focused on helping them concentrate on what matters most: the art and beauty of the furniture we make. Over time, we'll be growing our workforce by another 30 or 40%, so this expansion is also good for the economy and the health of our corner of West Virginia. And it's good for anyone who appreciates that skilled American workers are crafting exceptional furniture made for a lifetime or two from Appalachian hardwoods, the finest furniture making material on the planet. I hope you're as excited as I am for what this expansion means for Gat Creek today and into the future. You're going to love what's next.